Hello all. I didn't say anything inside because everybody is sleeping. It's like 1:30 in the morning, but I've had a pretty shitty, pretty busy week, and I guess the YouTubers don't know about it yet, but my Philco Ford noiseless that's usually in this spot here has crapped out. The fan motor decided to take a shit on me. So I have this here 8,000 BTU feathers. I think, pretty sure I uploaded the video of it before for you guys when I first got it. But it does a good job. I mean, I was impressed, being that, you know, especially on high it puts out good, but on low the actual air output usually isn't all that fast, but it's doing a pretty good job keeping up for its size. It's got the badass feathers shield on the back. It's plastic, so that dates it about 1963, 64, 65, somewhere in there. This one does not have no drip dehumidification. The width is the same as the Philco, but it's a little bit, it's not quite as tall, so there is a little, I did put a couple shims up there that make up the difference, and I sealed that up on the side. Once I get the new motor in the noiseless, I'll replace it, put the noiseless back in, and this one will probably go in my bedroom because it's a bedroom sized unit, 8,000 BTUs. So I'm pretty sure it's not made to do a whole house, which actually it does do, it just takes a lot longer than the Philco did. The Philco puts out a lot more air, but I gotta say, on high, this and the Philco make about the same amount of noise, but on low, this one might be a little bit quieter, which will make it ideal for the bedroom. Now the noiseless is quiet. I mean, it does make noise, but it's very quiet. And it blows cold. This thing blows out, I'd say, just as cold. And before I end the video, I'll do a temp check on it for you. This thing here drips like you would not freaking believe. I emptied that about an hour ago. You already got about 2 inches in there. The only reason you see it splashes when it drips out. Yeah, the only reason I put that bucket there is because it literally floods the freaking, it'll start raining all over the place on the porch, and just makes a mess. And then you walk in, you track it into the house. So put this here. I literally dump that every day. I literally get 5 gallons of freaking condensation out of this every day. I don't think the only unit I ever seen that drip this much, or the carry coils do, and the big Emerson quiet coils will too. But yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, see the compressor in there, nice hum. You can hear the compressor better than you can hear the fan, which is nice. You walk out, especially early in the morning when that kicks on. Sounds awesome. There's your capacitor up there. See your compressor sweat. Yeah, I'm impressed with how well it does for the size it is. It does a very good job. 1960s quality and just feathers quality in general. But yeah, we're gonna go back inside now and do a quick temp check for you. Nice even temperature. That's about the room temperature. It's nice, ain't it? one. But yeah, she's definitely a looker. Feel free to comment and let me know what you think. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe this might be my 100th video. But I'm not really sure, being that YouTube is being gay and not showing me the numbers. As usual, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.